Hello and welcome to our channel. If you've ever felt exhausted upon waking up or spent the whole day without energy, know that you're not alone. Today, we will explore something true for many, which I have also experienced: the impact of food on our energy levels. Get ready to discover how small changes in your diet can bring great rewards in your daily well-being. Imagine that the simple act of choosing what to eat can transform your day. No more sudden fatigue or the constant need to find comfort in a coffee. Let's dive into a journey that will reveal how to make the most of the energy from the foods we consume. From vibrant and juicy fruits to whole grains, each of these options has been meticulously chosen for their potent benefits. Why is this topic so vital? Well, because having enough energy is essential not only for our daily tasks, but also for our mood and overall quality of life. And when we recognize symptoms of persistent fatigue or difficulty in focusing, often all we need is to adjust our consumption. Are you ready? Let's start revitalizing your body from the inside out. In the fast-paced world we live in today, dealing with constant fatigue may seem inevitable. However, understanding diet as a powerful tool to combat this tiredness can completely change the game. The foods we choose daily directly impact our energy levels and thus affect both our physical and mental performance. For example, feeling tired in the middle of an important meeting or unfocused during daily activities may be a sign that your diet needs adjustments. But the good news is, the solution is closer than you think. By carefully selecting what we put on our plates, we can prevent these episodes of energy drop, ensuring stable and sustainable energy. A balanced diet, rich in nutrients and well-diversified, provides the necessary fuel for our body and mind to function efficiently, not only combating fatigue but promoting an overall sense of well-being and continuous vitality. Let's now explore which foods can become your allies on this journey. It's time to dive into the heart of our discussion: foods that play a crucial role in boosting energy levels and reducing fatigue. Ready to transform those lethargic days into days full of vitality, nutrient-rich fruits and vegetables? Starting with fruits and vegetables is essential, as they are abundant sources of vitamins and minerals that our bodies crave. Bananas, for instance, are rich in potassium and help regulate blood glucose levels, offering an immediate and consistent energy surge. Oranges, loaded with vitamin C, not only improve immunity but also reduce the feeling of tiredness. When it comes to vegetables, spinach should be at the forefront. Rich in iron, magnesium, and countless other vitamins, it helps increase the oxygen composition in the blood, ensuring lasting energy. Broccoli, on the other hand, is a superfood rich in fiber and vitamin K, ideal for maintaining stable energy levels throughout the day. Protein-rich snacks. Protein-rich snacks are another excellent option for fighting fatigue. Proteins are vital agents that keep us energized for longer periods by stabilizing blood sugar levels. Almonds are a perfect example. Rich in fatty acids and vitamin E, they provide stable energy, besides being practical and delicious. Greek yogurt, an accessible and delicious option, is not only rich in protein but also in probiotics, which improve digestion and consequently help in the efficient absorption of nutrients. And let's not forget eggs, which are easy to prepare and versatile, besides being rich in albumin, a protein that keeps our muscles and brains ready for whatever comes. Whole grains. When we talk about whole grains, we undoubtedly think of oats and quinoa. These play a key role in energetic eating because their fibers reduce sugar absorption, providing a continuous flow of energy. Oats, especially, are known for their complex carbohydrates, a common breakfast choice to ensure a productive morning. Quinoa, in turn, is a grain that contains all essential amino acids, something rare for grains, making it a powerful source of protein. Its benefits go beyond energy, promoting muscle recovery and mental clarity. As we can see, incorporating these foods into daily meals not only enhances vitality, but also positions the body in a place of resilience, ready to face the day with courage and vigor. As we approach the next section, think about how you can integrate these foods into your daily dietary practices and prepare your body to thrive in any circumstance. With so many energizing ingredients available, the key is knowing how to combine them to create meals that maximize their positive impact. Here are some simple and effective ideas for incorporating these superfoods into your daily routine. Imagine starting the day with a delicious bowl of warmed oats, topped with banana slices and a sprinkle of toasted almonds. This combination not only provides quick-absorbing energy, but also sustained energy throughout the morning. For the afternoon snack, try mixing Greek yogurt with segments of orange and a dash of quinoa. It's not only a delicious way to enjoy these textures, but also a protein bomb that recharges the mind and body when fatigue starts to set in. At night, a dish of sautéed spinach with boiled eggs and steamed broccoli serves as a nutritious and nutrient-rich dinner that promotes restful sleep. These combinations are easy to prepare and ensure a varied and energy-rich diet. Besides adopting a diet rich in energy-boosting foods, there are other key aspects to fighting fatigue. Staying well hydrated is essential. Water helps transport nutrients through the body, optimizing the energetic absorption from foods. Integrating a regular physical exercise routine is also crucial. Activities such as walking or practicing yoga not only improve circulation, but also increase resistance to fatigue. Cultivating good sleep habits and managing stress through practices such as meditation or breathing exercises are powerful allies in the pursuit of an energized and balanced lifestyle. Incorporating the right foods into your diet can be a simple and effective way to overcome fatigue and increase your energy daily. Fruits and vegetables, protein-rich snacks, and whole grains are valuable allies in this journey. Combine these dietary choices with healthy habits like good hydration and regular exercise, and you'll be on the right track to transforming your energy levels and overall well-being. Now, we invite you to try these tips, adjust the combinations to your liking, and share in the comments how these changes have impacted your life. Let's move together towards more energetic and productive days. Thank you for spending this time with us exploring ways to revitalize your energy with powerful foods. Your support for our channel is essential, and we are excited to continue bringing content that enhances your quality of life. Don't forget to subscribe and activate notifications so you don't miss our upcoming videos full of health and wellness tips. If you found this video useful, leave a like and share your experiences and suggestions in the comments below. We look forward to hearing about your journey and helping further in this path towards an energized and vibrant life. See you next time.